Hello guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys what we call double stops. What are double stops? Double stops are notes, two notes actually, right? Two notes played at the same time, simultaneously. So two notes played at the same time. That's what we call double stops, right? So we'll be using our major scale for this instance, right? So a major scale. So if I continue, I actually tone down my guitar half step down, right? So don't get confused. So this is actually my B here, right? So we are actually using the same. Don't just get confused. I'm just trying to let you know, right? So the major scale now, right? So what I mean by double stop is playing two notes at the same time. You see, I'm using this at the same time. That's what double stop is all about. And when playing in music or when applying it in while playing, it helps make you sound interesting actually, right? It helps you sound interesting. So now let's use our major scale again for this instance. So what I mean is while playing the major scale, we're using our interval, our 1 and 3. 1, 3. So we're using it on all the scale, on all the 7 notes or 7 major scale, right? So 1, 3, right? 1, 3. Because if you count your 1, 2, 3, that's where mi fa, right? Is your where mi fa. If your where becomes your 1, then your fa becomes your 3. So this is do mi, so 1, 2, 3, right? Then where mi fa, that's 1, 2, 3. Your mina is right mi so. I don't know if you understand what that is. So right. So now playing it as a double stop, like I said, you're playing two notes at the same time. So guys, at the same time, you get it. So it's actually going to sound interesting if you come down to the lower upper register, right? So you see how it sounds, right? So it's not that it's not going to sound interesting here, it's just that it's going to be more brighter and sound more interesting actually here down. So like I said, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Well, like I said, we're using a 1, 3. Right, so that is also. Then you keep going down. So now there are situations where you will not want to use your 1, 3. You can actually use. It's just dependent on how you actually want to sound also. So you can just do. Like what I mean is you can use your 1 and 4. Do you understand? So what I did here is my 5 and 1 here. So do, right? La re, right? Ti mi, right? I don't know if you understand. So if you don't want to use the or you get, so that is how double stops work. So you can just you see how it's sounding, right? So that's actually what double stops are all about, or is all about, right? So like I said, there are notes, two notes played at the same time, simultaneously, right? So we can do more complex stuff like that. You say it's sounding right? You see, right? So you can just actually use that. So just practice it. Work with a metronome, right? Right, just work with the metronome to actually make you get your desired speed. So yeah, that's what double stops is all about. Very simple. All right, so I'm going to see you in my next class. Yes, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I would love you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop new videos. And also, if you're interested in my course, I'll post the link in my description, right? I have a Udemy course compiled for you guys, from the beginners to an advanced level, just like a crash course. So if you're actually interested, you can actually go get it. I'm going to see you soon. Thank you so much.